जय जय श्री राधे श्याम, बोल जय जय श्री राधे श्याम। जय हो श्री जी की असीम कृपा से सेवा यहाँ पर फिर से शुरू हो गई है। देखिए ये अपने श्री जी की महल है। दिस इज द पैलेस। हाँ जी, कुशल बिहारी जी जो हैं जयपुर के राजाओं ने बनवाई थी इस महल को। The kings of Jaipur had made this palace for Srimati Radharani, and right outside the palace, it has been a disaster for as long as I can remember. Yeah, from क्यों भैया आप तो बरसाने के ही हो, यहाँ पे इस तरीके से कितने सालों से है? हाँ, आपके जन्म से जब तक हुआ यहाँ पर कभी साफ हुई है इसकी? मैंने भी ऐसे ही देखा है। क्यों कचौरी? बिल्कुल जायज बात है ये बरसाना। क्यों माता जी, ये ऐसे का ऐसे यहाँ पर कूड़ा बढ़ते ही रहा है। तो मेरे ख्याल से तो ये जो यहाँ पर जो है ना श्री जी की महल के बाहर जो यहाँ पर अभी सेवा चल रही है, ये कुछ अद्भुत है। ये न भूतो कभी हुआ नहीं और हमेशा भविष्यति और हमेशा चलती रहेगी। यही हमारी प्रार्थना है। राधे 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 बाबा, राधे राधे। राम बाबा की जय। He's managing the whole thing.
नंदू महाराज अगर आप नहीं आते ना तो लेबर
अरे
पे आती नहीं थी।
प्रभु जी ने ऐसा मत बोलो, हमारा कुछ नहीं, सब श्री जी की असीम कृपा है। तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि you know what's going on here is that there's Pandit, the pujaris that live over here. Over the years they have just been throwing the trash over the wall. You see? So after 20, 30, 40 years of trash being thrown over the wall, this is what it's going to look like deep. So, you know, this cannot be happening, not in the palace of Srimati Radharani. You know, look at this. These are the heaps that we're just collecting, and eventually what we'll do is just, if it's organic waste, we'll make a nice round thing, like for example around the tree, and put some stones and decorate it, you know. But first things first, we need to clean it. You see the difference over there, right over here? Yeah, it's just spread with plastic, and then once it gets swept, give some attention and some love, then look at this. This is what it looks like, huh? So that's what we're doing right now, just cleaning, and more cleaning and more mercy. असीम कृपा है ये श्री जी की कि ये सेवा हमको मिली है, बस इतना ही हम कह सकते हैं। और आगे विचार है, श्री जी से प्रार्थना है कि इस जगह में पूरा अच्छी तरीके से घास लगा हो, या just grass. No more of these kullards, you know, clay cups and plastic bags. This, what you see over here, is actually half of it. When we first got here, the first day we started over here. We started our seva here, and it was intense. Big heaps of plastic came from underneath these trees, and still there's so much. But I mean, yeah, this is just half of it. ये अभी तक ये सारा जो सबसे पहले दिन हमने इन वृक्षों के नीचे हम घुस गए थे, बिल्कुल बहुत मलबा निकला है। तो इसलिए बात ऐसी है कि देखिए, ये अगर इस तरीके से हम देख रेख नहीं करेंगे, हाँ, तो इसका परिणाम तो यही होना है। और क्या होगा, ये तो नेचुरल ही है। इसलिए अभी हम प्रार्थना करते हैं श्री जी से और आप सबसे कि कृपया इस श्री जी की मंदिर के जो पुजारी हैं, इनसे एक बार कुछ बोल दिया जाए कि यहाँ पर अभी दोबारा से मलबा ना पटके, क्योंकि यहाँ पर बहुत भारी मलबा है। There's a lot of muck over here, you see? That yeah. So yeah, we cannot have this system of just, you know, throw it over the wall and you know, expect it to be like out of sight, out of mind, because it's never out of sight. You just put it somewhere else, and then, you know, it starts to accumulate, and And then this, this whole, imagine, this is the main entrance to Srimati Radharani's palace. And on both sides of this main entrance, it is just heaps of garbage. And, see, once it's cleaned, my prayers are that we don't continue to dump. We don't continue to just keep on throwing. See, this is Kushal Bihariji Maharaj Palace, built by the King of Jaipur for the pleasure of their lordships, yeah? It's such a beautiful palace, let me tell you. Amazing, like design and amazing architecture, really classic. But then if you just dump all your garbage, okay, now for example, these guys here, there's a canteen here, okay? This canteen is, chai, pakodi, lassi, all these kind of things they keep on making, nah? And then what do? Throw it right here. Okay? Now, you can't just close these things off and pretend like the garbage doesn't exist, So, with the permission of Vandana ji and Vivek ji, I'm going to hereby take permission from you guys to also clean this place up as well. Agar aap, please, this is the other temple here, just like we cleaned it on that side now. If we could just please clean this one up as well. It's a little bit extra, but we cannot just leave it like this. We have to clean it. And so this one, and over there on that side of the wall, that it's gonna need some deep cleaning. Yeah, it's a deep cleaning work. So because it's been going on for a long time. बहुत समय हो गया यहाँ पर, मतलब कि ये कचरा मलबा just piling up. So whatever it is, Srimati Radharani has made the weather so nice. It's been raining for the past 2 days, and now it's cool, breeze is on. Let's see if we can go inside the temple. I just want to give you a little glimpse of what a royal temple this Jaipur Mandir is. The King of Jaipur made this with great bhav and bhakti, It wasn't just a governmental monument like Mayavati did. Oh man, this door is so heavy. Wow, look at this. Yeah. Solid gates, man. These are like, look at the top. The hinges. These are solid rock. Look at that. Kushal Bihari Ji Maharaj ki jai. Adbhut शैलकारी, अद्भुत कलाकारी आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर श्री कुशल बिहारी जी महाराज जी के मंदिर के जय विजय, द्वारपाल। और इस तरीके से देखिए कितना भाव हमारी संस्कृति में जो राजा थे वो भावना को वो सामने से वो लीड करके दिखाते थे, तो प्रजा तो ऑटोमेटिकली भक्ति भाव होना था, है ना। आजकल तो आप ज़्यादा भावना दिखाओगे तो कह देंगे कि आप ultra fanatic Hindu. Oh my God, we are a secular country. But look at this bhav, look at the jalis, look at the jali work. Truly a mahal. And if you notice on each one of these what do you call it, supports, there are holes on them for lanterns. उसमें वो अग्नि का दीप जलाया करते थे। और यहाँ पर राधे राधे मैया, पुजारी families, they live here. And राधे राधे मैया, माता जी जी मैया वृंदावन से। माता जी आप आशीर्वाद दे दो कि हमारी ये सेवा सक्षम हो, सफल हो। ठीक है भैया, प्रसाद जय हो, प्रसाद दे दो भैया। देखो ये है ब्रजवासी, ब्रज में ऐसा ही है। बुला के प्रसाद मिलता है यहाँ तो। This is Braj, you don't have to ask even, you get called. Come take some prasadam. Prasadam from the house of a Brijavasi. What else do you want? अब तो मैया अब यहाँ पर आ गए हैं, यहाँ से ये पीछे जो है ना, इसकी भी सफाई मतलब कार्य शुरू हो गई और तो चलती रहेगी मैया। अब तो बगीचा का भी काम शुरू कर दिए फिर। मैया क्या बात है, जय हो। ब्रजवासी के हाथ का टिक्कड़, ये दर्शन कराओ मैं इन लोगों को।